In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize elements on your Canva design. Resizing elements is one of the most basic but powerful skills you can use to improve your layouts, create better balance, and make your designs look polished and professional. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the simple actions you need to take, and I'll also share a few tips so you understand what's happening on screen and why it matters. First, open your design in Canva, and make sure you're on the page where the element you want to resize is located. To start resizing, you need to select the element. Move your mouse over the object you want to adjust. This could be an image, a shape, a text box, or any graphic on your canvas. Click once on the element. When it's selected correctly, you'll see an outline or bounding box appear around it. Along this outline, Canva shows small handles at the corners and sometimes in the middle of the sides. These are the controls you use to resize. If you don't see that box or those handles, it means the element isn't selected, so just click it again until they appear. Now that your element is selected, look for the small circles along the edges or at the corners of that bounding box. These circles are your resize handles. To change the size, move your cursor over one of these circles. When your cursor changes to a double-sided arrow, click and hold down your mouse button. While holding the mouse button, drag the circle inward to make the element smaller or outward to make it larger. As you drag, you'll see the element grow or shrink in real time on your design. Take your time here and watch how the element's size relates to the other items on the page. If you're working with photos or graphics, it's usually best to drag from a corner circle so the element resizes proportionally and doesn't look stretched. If at any point the size doesn't look right, you can simply drag the circle again until it feels balanced with the rest of your design. When you're happy with the new size, release the mouse button. The element will stay at that size, and you can click anywhere outside of it to deselect. That's all you need to do to resize elements in Canva. Click on the element, then click and drag the small circle handles to adjust its size. With just these actions, you'll have much more control over how your design looks and